Prophetic saying, Hadith, Deen Naseehah, Sahih Muslim, 55. Translation: Religion is sincerity, goodwill. Explanation: Islam is not only about worship, it is a religion of goodness, honesty, and sincerity. Whether it is sincerity towards Allah, His Messenger, other Muslims, or all humanity, the essence of Islam is wishing good for everyone. Lesson: A true believer should always act with sincerity, honesty, and kindness towards others. That is the real spirit of Islam.
If you love informative, Islamic, and interesting videos, then this channel is just for you. I upload new and beneficial videos every single day, so you can learn something new daily. So please, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of my daily uploads. Your one subscribe means a lot to me. Thank you so much.